Hey y'all, welcome back to Sin City Review. Today we're checking out a Glock 19 Gen 4 and has quite a bit of work done to it. As far as the Cerakote goes, this is the foliage green for the slide in the frame. Everything else is left the factory. Trijicon HD night sights with the orange on the front. Went ahead and did a full grip reduction, reprofile, and of course did the Waffle Stippling on that. Took up under the trigger guard and all that good stuff. And it has forward cock serrations on the slide. Other than that, it's factory. This thing turned out pretty badass. I think this foliage green is definitely one of my new favorite colors. It just looks awesome, especially with that orange ring up there on that Trijicon. Glock 19 Gen 4. Those Trijicons just sit on there perfect. Increases your sight radius a little bit. Up underneath, got a little texturing in the front of the trigger guard, underneath. A little smooth relief so it doesn't tear your hand up with that stippling. And of course the waffle texture. The Gen 4s have this really cool line on the back, you know, where you can add the beaver tail or the slide accessories the frame accessories to make them thicker, or thicker grip anyways. But if you leave that line, it just makes for a really nice little accent. I really like that. Wouldn't mind owning this pistol myself. It just looks super clean. It's my favorite. Choose your color, do your slide and your frame in that color, and everything else leave black. Your intimidation factor. I'll go ahead and change the lighting real quick for you guys. Almost like an army green of sorts, the foliage is. Really is definitely an offshoot of that. I'm just super tickled, as they say, with the end result on this one. It just turned out awesome. I love it. I might have to try to buy this from my friend. It's his gun, but I don't know. I think he might be selling this one, so we can probably work something out in the price. I'm sure. Thing just looks rad. Anyways, y'all, any questions, comments, concerns, as always, leave them, and I will answer accordingly. Those cock serrations just look rad up there. Just takes, you know, basically your factory Glock. Nothing's really added onto this except for the sights. Everything else is just reworking of the metal and the polymer, and that's what you can do. Pretty sweet. Anyways, y'all. Until next time.